Itzy Sealed Wet Bag with Adjustable Handle by Itzy Ritzy is one of the best sellers among cloth diaper wet bags products. The Itzy Ritzy Travel Happens Sealed Wet Bag is the best way to store and travel with wet or dry items. It provides multiple uses for any age group of your family, and can hold diapers, cosmetics, wet clothes, swimwear, wipes, beach gear, bibs, toiletries, bottles, baby food and more. At Itzy Ritzy, the manufacturer believe that parenting in style is possible. The manufacturer's collection is designed to provide families with smart and stylish solutions to everyday parenting challenges. From multi-purpose designs that empower, and chic prints that inspire, to solutions that raise consciousness, we've reinvented practical luxury for modern families around the world while remaining true to the manufacturer's core vision of keeping things simple. Itzy Ritzy products are made with the highest quality workmanship, machine washable fabrics, and are CPSIA certified safe for baby. Visit Itzy Ritzy for more information on Itzy Ritzy and the manufacturer's extensive line of products. Itzy Ritzy reusable wet bags are perfect for separating wet items while keeping the rest of the items in your diaper bag dry. The manufacturer's wet bags are also perfect for keeping in your beach bag for wet swimsuits or towels, in your gym bag for used workout gear, in your suitcase for toiletries while traveling, or for keeping odors from dirty diapers contained. The adjustable handle of the wet bag snaps open and closed, making it easy to attach to other bags, strollers, or the back of the seat in your car. The manufacturer's wet bags are water-resistant with sealed seams, and include a zipper closure, and thick polyurethane interior. The manufacturer's medium wet bag measures 11 inches by 14 inches, machine washable in cold water with light colors, line drying is recommended.